if you guessed drone or lift kit, you were right. As you can see here, I picked up this Vivitar AeroView video drone. Does up to 720p. Picked that sucker up, so we'll try that out on the channel, see how well it does. Just kind of been waiting to program it and all that, get it calibrated, so I'm gonna have to go to a area that's clear. And as you can see here, we got lift kit, 6 inches to be straight. Gonna go on Z71. Got the cross members all painted up there. Got a pretty good deal on that, so I went ahead and went for it. Been wanting to raise this for a while now, so that'll get it up there in the air hopefully pretty good. So thanks for commenting below, and on the last video, as you can see, I started unveiling the box on the lift kit, and then the lights went out on me. Power went out yesterday, so if you see the video go dark, that's what happened. So I pretty much got the lift kit all laid out, went through it, made sure everything's there, so we'll probably tackle that starting tomorrow when I get off. Still got to work through the weekend, so we'll start that and see what happens. Yeah, it's good stuff. So we'll